Hi, Dr. Hammett. Quick minutes. A topic. I think I'll go to the chiropractor when I think I need to go. Yeah, I've been in practice a long time, like over 45 years, almost 50 years, including residency. I've heard this one before. Well, doctor, I'm doing pretty good. I think I'll come in when I think I need to. Really? When is that? What are the indicators that you need to be seen by a chiropractor because you have nerve interference that's destroying your health or limiting your abilities? How do you know? You don't. A traditionally trained chiropractor does. Can look at you in about 30 seconds and know exactly whether you need an adjustment or not. But as a patient, you don't know. In fact, I just had a patient recently I haven't seen in 6 or 8 weeks, and she came in and, oh yeah, it's just tough to get in here. But she had freshly done nails. She just came from a massage, and her nervous system looked terrible. But she thought she knew when she needed chiropractic care. Don't make the same mistake. If you go to a chiropractor to stay healthy, to become pain-free, listen to the chiropractor's recommendations. If you need to be seen 3 times a week, once a month, every 2 weeks, whatever the schedule is, if it's a traditional chiropractor, it's based upon your examination, your x-rays, your chiropractic analysis, not your medical care or your pain or symptoms. So, if you think you know when you need a chiropractic adjustment, sorry, you don't. Plan ahead. Better to be adjusted than not be adjusted and wishing you were adjusted. Have a great day. Doc Hammett.